Okay, so this video here is going to look at how to find the averages of numbers. So what I've used as an example here is we've got the results of a pretty simple science experiment. So take a ball, drop it from different heights. So we've got 0.5 meter, 1 meter, 1.5, etc., all the way up to 2.5 meters, and then measure the time it takes for the ball to hit the ground. And because when we do science experiments, we always have some errors in our measurements, we don't just do it once for each drop height, we do it 5 times. So we had 5 trials here and we want to work out the average for each of those drop heights. So again, it's pretty simple. I've created a space here to put the averages in. I'm going to type in equals and then average like that. And then you can see that it has guessed which numbers I want to average, which is exactly what I want to average, so that's good. Alternatively, I could click and drag myself over the ones I want to average. But in any case, that's found the average of those numbers. But now if I want to do that for all of the 5 drop heights, so I can, got the formula in the first row here, I can go to the bottom right hand corner and either click and drag or double click, and that'll put that same average formula in all of the other rows. So that's pretty much done, but there's one thing I don't like about this, and that is that my measurements were to 2 decimal places, and my average should really be to 2 decimal places as well. That's kind of how we roll in science. So some of these are already 2 decimal places, some of them are 3. I want to set them to they're all 2 decimal places. So the way I can do that is I'm going to highlight these numbers, and then up the top here where my cursor is, there's one button to decrease the number of decimal places, one button to increase the number of decimal places. So I'm going to use that decrease one and do it until they're all formatted to 2 decimal places. Okay, and that is it. Simple.